In a world where the race to build higher, bigger, and smarter rages on, the domain of construction has transformed into a playing field for innovation and glory. And it is on this field that a compelling question arises. Why do cold countries seem to excel in constructing not just buildings, but legacies of engineering prowess? Let's weave through the frost-laden paths that lead to the heart of this intriguing topic. Picture the craggy outlines of ice-capped mountains and the stark silhouettes of cranes piercing through the misty breath of a chilly dawn. This is the setting where we begin to unravel the intricacies and secrets of construction in colder climes, where every frozen ground broken is a testament to human tenacity. As we embark on this journey, consider the thick layers of snow that must be navigated, the steely resolve needed to combat biting winds, and the technological marvels crafted to withstand the relentless cold. These are the battlefields of the North, where the sounds of hammers and drills resonate like a symphony of progress. It's not just about erecting structures, it's about redefining the possible. Cold countries carve out their success stories on foundations made rigid by the low temperatures. Materials behave differently here. Concrete cures slower, and steel can shatter like glass under the immense pressure of the frigid environment. It's a delicate dance between material science and architecture, where every step is calibrated to perfection. Here, we see the emergence of structures that aren't just constructed. They're engineered with a precision that leaves no room for error. Take, for example, the Confederation Bridge connecting Prince Edward Island to mainland Canada. Spanning the treacherous waters of the Northumberland Strait, this bridge isn't just a marvel of modern construction. It stands as a symbol of overcoming nature's mighty challenge. It tells a story of meticulous planning, from ensuring the bridge can withstand the ice flows to maintaining its integrity against the relentless assault of the sea. Delve deeper into the discussion, and we encounter the principles that guide such achievements. There's a relentless pursuit of innovation born out of necessity. The necessity to adapt, to evolve, and to thrive in conditions that are, by default, hostile to human habitation. This drive has led cold countries to pioneer breakthroughs in construction technology and methodologies. Let's not put our tools down just yet. If you're finding this foray into the world of construction enthralling, make sure to hammer that like button and fortify the foundation of our community by subscribing. Your support helps us continue to build content that bridges the gaps in our collective knowledge. Speaking of which, it's important to consider the collaborators in this grand design, the inhabitants of these cold nations. They bring to the table a cultural heritage rich in adaptation and resilience. Education systems focused on engineering and vocational training churn out skilled workers who are no strangers to the challenges posed by their environment. As we construct, we layer it brick by brick with insights into the societal frameworks that have made such constructions possible. We delve into how these countries not merely survive, but excel, setting benchmarks that hot countries look upon with a mix of awe and inspiration. So, stay with us as we pull back the thermal curtains to let in a little more light on this fascinating subject. And now, let's shift our gaze to the warmer regions of the world, where the sun blazes down upon the builders and their creations. Here, construction takes on a different tenor, one of battling against the heat rather than the cold. The challenges may differ, but the ingenuity and spirit of innovation burn just as bright. Warm countries confront their own set of formidable obstacles, from the relentless desiccation that can crack open the ground to the humidity that can corrode even the staunchest of metals. But humans, being the adaptable creatures they are, have risen to meet these challenges head-on. In places like Abu Dhabi with its capital gate, also known as the Leaning Tower of Abu Dhabi, construction marvels defy not just gravity, but also the harsh environmental condition. With a lean of 18 degrees to the west, this skyscraper required an incredible feat of engineering and technological creativity to ensure stability and durability in a locale where temperatures can soar to scorching levels. And then there's the Bosco Verticale in Milan, Italy, two residential towers that boast a vertical forest. In a region where summers are hot and long, Bosco Verticale offers a blueprint for integrating nature with urban living, offsetting carbon footprints, and reducing energy consumption through its flora-clad facades. It's a nod to sustainable construction that melds form, function, and environmental consciousness. We must acknowledge the drive towards sustainability that hot countries are embracing, utilizing solar power and other renewable energy sources to add a green hue to the construction landscape. The focus here is on innovation that cools, that breathes with the city, and that offers a respite from the heat, all while ensuring a lighter touch on the planet's resources. Now, turning back to the juxtaposition of construction in cold versus warm countries, let's examine the mindset that underpins these Herculean efforts. In colder regions, the emphasis on research and development is palpable. Universities and institutions collaborate closely with the construction industry to push the boundaries of what's possible, leading to buildings and infrastructures that can withstand the harshest winters. Comparatively, in warmer climates, the focus often shifts towards creating breathable spaces that encourage airflow and minimize heat absorption. Here, architects and engineers become maestros of light and shadow, crafting edifices that are as much about the comfort of their inhabitants as they are about making a statement. The dialogue between these two worlds of construction is as much about the exchange of ideas as it is about the confluence of cultures and climates. The lessons learned in cold countries can lead to new ways of building in the heat, and vice versa. It's this cross-pollination of expertise and experience that paves the way for a future where every new structure is a step towards a more resilient, adaptable, and sustainable built environment.